Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the euro yen, I still am very confident that this is in a wave 4 right now, which eventually will go back up and make a wave 5 to complete what I think is a very clear uptrend on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it looks to me like the wave A and the wave B is already complete. I think there's a pretty good chance that this is going to keep on going down eventually and that we're going to make 5 waves down for a wave C. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down because this move up right here very likely could be a correction to this last move down. We very likely are going to end up bouncing from a fib level and could end up continuing the downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, I definitely would be looking for longs on the shorter time frames like I've been saying, because the trend is down on the higher time frames, but the market flow has been up for almost 2 weeks now. But while I was looking for longs, I would be paying very close attention to these fib levels. At one of these fib levels, I believe we're going to get an impulse down and a break of structure and likely the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I would be looking for longs right now. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now. We are approaching the 50%, so if we do get a big impulse down, a big breaker structure, that is what would turn me into a seller. If I see a breaker structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, then I definitely would start looking for shorts again, because it likely could be the end of a wave 2 and the beginning of a wave 3, which would be a 1, 2, 3 of wave C, likely on the higher time frames. Now, that all depends on whether we get this break to the downside. It may not break to the downside at the 50%. It may push up to the 61.8 or even the 78.6. So I would definitely be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks unless I see a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.